Yeah, we get it. Ain't got no fattest in tiny ways. Flows is vicious, the venom is wicked, and that's what be keeping these souls at bay.
Okay, so let's get to it. So welcome to my new channel, Nisi Trades. For those who are visiting from Time to Trade Money, where I trade binary options on the Pocket Option Broker, this will be something new for you to learn, okay? So on this channel, I'm going to be sharing all my Forex trades, and also I'm going to be giving you helpful, realistic tips on how to get started, creating a routine, understanding liquidity, and more importantly, navigating the direction of price to increase your gains. So let's look at this one. I took two trades early in the morning, as you can see, about around 12:30 a.m. But I took two trades on USD, CHF, and Euro USD. Okay, and I was using my phone, as you can see, and that is also my blue screen blocker on there as well. And those who are wondering, I'm using the app Liquid Charts Pro, and the link is in the description below. So now on my first trade, as you can see, I am in profit. I got in at this level here. So now let's look at price. It pushed through this resistance level right here, moving all the way up. And what I did, I basically just waited for it to retest that area. Okay, it's typically always going to retest. It's going to break and it's going to come back down, and it's going to retest an area. Then I saw that price stayed under this level, okay, where it broke support. And as you can see, it continued to sell off. And so I got in there. Now I'll explain more, but let's get on to the next one for Euro USD. As you can see on this one, I'm in profit. Okay, so I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Now I've marked out my highs and my lows, the support and resistance levels here. And again, price broke, and once it came back down to retest, this is where I got in. I got in a little bit early, but it did push up, making a new high, and you can see it's just gone. So let's just watch these two trades. One will hit my take profit, and the other I close, and I just got to get out of it before it does. But here we go, and then I will share some tips. So let's watch. Okay, so if you're new, you got to get your platforms together. Use TradingView to mark up your charts. There's a free version, and I'm currently using the broker Liquid Charts. Okay, so first, I'm not here to make $1 million trades. I like to start small, then kind of build up. I will withdraw and then kind of go on to something else. But I'm just kind of sharing some, basic good tips where you can start tomorrow. So if you're a person that wants to kind of really start and you've got a little bit of knowledge in regards to Forex and you're still trying to find some pretty good entries, you may want to consider trading in the morning, catching that volume like around 6:30 a.m. if you're on the Pacific time zone. But yeah, you can catch US 30, as you can see here, or even a NAS 100 to catch that volume early in the morning, sometimes between like 6:30 and about 7:10. You'll see a lot of movement. But again, always make sure that you check the news. But again, before you start, you're going to mark out your higher time frame, say like on 1 hour. This way you kind of get an idea where price is going for the day. I like to mark out those session highs and lows. And so you're always going to kind of also, too, you're going to wait for those to be broken. You're going to wait for price to get past them or go below them. You can also use an indicator for FX markets if you want to mark up your sessions. And this is how you find it here. So remember, price is always going to move three ways: up, down, sideways. Okay. So if it goes up, it's going to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And if it goes down, it's going to make lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Okay. So you want to focus on, making an entry when price makes a new high or a new low. Okay. Now, there are many strategies, obviously, that we can focus on, and I'll get to that in my later videos. I just kind of right now want to share some general trades that I'm taking and my thought process behind it. But do remember, just practice on the charts, marking out your resistance and support areas. You can look at your sessions, mark out the high of that session, the low of that session, especially when you start for the day. And as you can see on my screen, these are the typical currencies that I trade. But we want to find where price direction is headed. So that's why we use a higher time frame to get your daily bias. And then you can move down to a 15-minute or a 5-minute time frame, and you can mark out those highs and those lows there. But again, watch for the breaks below or above a session, like London, and you can even get into that volume. So that's it for right now. Continue to watch. I will continue to post my trades and share my philosophies. And if this video helped you in any kind of way, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.